guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be actually doing my hair. Okay, that's like 90% of my videos, but I'm gonna be doing a bun this time because I'm actually about to go grab some food. I was actually seeing how my new setup looked with my light. I was actually trying to see how that looked, and then now I was sitting down here and I knew I had to do my hair, so I was like, might as well film it for free. I said I might as well film it for free. I said I might as well, might as well, hey, might as well for free. My hair is super dry. This is a wash and go, and it's been like 6 days and I've been sleeping on it, and leave me alone. I got a new leave-in conditioner. This is the Kaleidoscope, the milkshake. I actually had the milkshake so long ago. My hair was damaged and stuff, and I used to do a lot of rod sets and a lot of heated styles because this was very light and I loved how lightweight it is, but it smells so good. This is what it looks like, and it has a nice spray bottle. I like the design. Yo, they ain't paying me for this, but this is what I'm using. I want to show y'all. It's just so easy to spray. Like, I got my thumb on it. Y'all know sometimes they be like really hard to spray. It's really easy. And a lot of products actually coming out. It smells so good though. That's that first layer. And y'all, I need some type of like leave-in or something when I'm about to do a bun. Like, you gotta go ahead and break that dryness up, because if your hair is dry and you're trying to pull it apart, you gonna look like a whole fool because your hair finna be broke off with the quickness. So anytime I'm touching my hair, I make sure I put something on it, and this honestly is giving me everything I need right now because my hair is super soft now. And when I started, that shit was so dry, y'all. Like, it was super dry. So we good now. Oh, we real good. I also wanted to go ahead and use some of my super cream. This is the Diva Curl Super Cream. I know you guys done heard of it. I've talked about it in a few videos. I'm gonna just use some of this. It's kind of thick, but I really need this for like the sleek part of my hair, the slick back part. I love putting like a nice heavy cream here, and it's basically my first layer before I go into my gel. So I like to put something down before I put my gel on. It's between this one and my TGIN Daily Moisturizer. I love using both of those to like slick stuff back. So after you put the cream on all around your edges, what you want to do is go in with a hard bristle brush, and I'm gonna be using this one. As you can see, the bristles are hard, y'all. This is my daddy's brush, and he's had this brush for years and he passed it on to me. So yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair, not all the way through, y'all. You don't want to disturb all the curls. Even if I do a bun, I still want my curls, so don't try to brush it all the way through, and plus you'll break your hair off. So y'all see how smooth my hair is getting? Get real smooth when you put a nice cream that's going to actually moisturize your hair and penetrate into your hair strands. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the gel everywhere that I put the cream, so all over my edges and stuff, and I'm gonna be using the Style Factor Edge Booster, and this is in the pineapple scent. You guys know I love this for wash and goes, but it's even better for slick back styles. Like, that's perfect. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my finger, put it on my hand, friend. Rub that in, girl. And then go ahead and put that on my hair. Then take a little bit more, rub it in, and do the back and the sides. Take your hard bristle brush again, brush it through. Now this is the hard part, that you want to just take all of your hair and put it up. So I like to put mine all the way to the top, so you want to brush it all the way up. And you want to go ahead and tighten that up there really tightly. And I like to make sure I'm smushing it right here, because if not, you're gonna have a hump right here, because y'all, my hair getting thick and I'm tired of seeing that hump right there. So I know I have to smush it like this way to make sure that hump is at least not in the front of my head. Make sure I'm getting that out, and pull some of that hair out as you're doing it. Okay, I have all my hair ties on my Amazon store, so if you're looking for some, please check them out because they're nice and sturdy. These are by, I think, Revlon. So I doubled it up, stretch it out, and just go ahead and add it on there. And it takes a lot, okay? I'm not gonna act like it doesn't take a lot. It takes a lot. And I'm gonna double it. So it's gonna be basically tied around 4 times because I doubled it initially. Oh man, it don't move to the back of my head already, see? That's what I mean, y'all. This tutorial is so needed because it don't always work out on the first time. I saw that one gonna work out. I need a break. Give me like 5 seconds. Whoo, child. I'm tired. I get tired. Take 2. All the way up. It's hot in here. My arm's hurting. See, this is why I be wearing puffs all the time, because taking that thing around again is a struggle. Alright, that's that first time. You can leave it at the first one, but it'll take away all your smoothness out. Well, it won't take it away, but it won't be as tight and it'll be more of a puff. But I'm trying to do a bun. Girl, my hair getting too thick for a bun. The way I used to do them anyway. I'm gonna have to find me a new method, girl. This ain't gonna work. Alright. Alright. The method is to just give up as soon as it's about to get over that last hump. I don't know if y'all saw me give up, but like I gave up on purpose because you want to make it messy. It's messy. It's bun, okay? It's bun, bitch. Don't get too excited. You want your edges and stuff to be nice, but you want everything else to be messy. Like, once you get it like this, you can go ahead and pin what you need to pin inside. So you just want to take some bobby pins, and I have these nice ones that I have from the Main Joys. And just pin the hair wherever you feel like you want it to be. Pin it in. There you go. You can add more cream, of course, to the outside area, and then gel as needed, because I got some flyaways. And then now I'm gonna take my softer bristle brush. This was my hard bristle brush, and this is the softer one. So now I'm gonna take the soft one and just smooth everything in. I like for someone to be sticking out, you know, a little sub girl. Show them I got a little curl in there or two or whatever. Okay, so now you want to do something to your edges, friend. You got to do something to them edges. So I'm going to go ahead and, ew. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and wash my edges brush because I don't know what that is. It's some dried up edge control. So let me go ahead and wipe this off and go clean this, and then we're going to do my edges. All right, you guys. So we are good and clean. Alright, so I'm gonna just take the lid of the same gel that I used, which was the Style Factor gel. I'm just gonna take the stuff that's in the lid, go ahead and add some gel, and literally I'm just gonna slay my edges or do whatever. Smooth those edges out. Now, I do like to brush them out first. I forgot about it, y'all. Brush them out first. Because sometimes I pull all my edges. I ain't got many edges, but you got to pull some out. So, okay. Let me take my hard bristle brush because the soft one don't be want to let the hair come out. So, just use my hard one. Bring some of these hairs right back out. Because if not, you're not going to be able to swoop them right, you know? I feel like doing edges shit do break off your edges. I ain't going to lie. But I don't have any edges, so that's why a lot of hair can't come out of here. But anyway, so just gonna go ahead and do my edges now that you pull them out. Do them, smooth them, make them beautiful. I will always switch to my comb. It's just something about the combs that be on the brushes don't do it for me. I don't know why. That rat tail comb really do be doing it for me. Y'all, what if I did my edges like this? Y'all still like me? Child, please. Somebody just said, ooh, that's too cute. Y'all tripping. No, ma'am. Honestly, it shouldn't have took me this long to do my edges. I don't even know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm playing too much. I need to go. It's time to go. It's time to go. Yeah, I'm still trying to do this. I'm like, yeah, it's time to go, but they still about to be good, though. All right, you guys, so I've slayed my edges. So I'm going to go in with the Got To Be Glued spray. So I do use this every time I do my buns, so I'm just gonna spray it. And it's really to set the edges, the flyaways in the front and the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf. I'm just gonna go ahead and just wrap it down. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect before you wrap it down. So you tie it around one time, and then the second time you just make sure you land that thing on them edges, girl, just like that. Just make sure you on them edges and they get nice and tight. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for like a few moments while I get my stuff together. I'm gonna take it off and then we're gonna be done, friend. And it's super nice and quick and stuff. So I will show you guys once I'm done. All right, guys, so my hair is, hopefully it's done, but I have to go. I gotta go. I'm hungry and me and Jaelen about to go out somewhere and we're about to go to some restaurant and I need to go ahead and take this off before I'm late, because I'm late already. I just told her I was leaving. I ain't leaving, friend, I ain't leaving. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. It's gonna peel because of the got to be. And yeah, here's my hair. Just a nice, sleek, smooth bun. Now I gotta go. Ain't no real outro. It was just a video, okay? Listen, I did it. My bun is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye. Love you. Thanks you for watching. Bye bye. Gotta go.